Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you like scripting using the 369 method, then you're going to love my 369 manifestation journal. It was created specifically for those that love to do scripting using the 369 method. Now, what makes this book so much more powerful is that I added little perks that's going to help magnify, supercharge whatever is written on the inside. For one, the Shri Yantra is on the cover, and it was placed there on purpose to help magnify, supercharge whatever it is you're writing on the inside. Every page has been designed based on the 369 method. It's broken down by morning, noon, and night. And at the bottom, I have a release statement to help you release to the universe whatever it is that you're desiring. Now, as an added bonus, I have included the instructions on how to do the 369 technique, so you cannot make a mistake. So if you want to use the 369 to help manifest whatever it is that you want going into the new year or anytime afterwards, click the link, go to Amazon, purchase the book, and then start scripting.